Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is really, playing games here. Very volatile at the moment, very volatile. So we take a look at the Ethereum chart and the two possibilities that we have here at the moment. Bit difficult at the moment because Ethereum is really sitting basically between two scenarios at the moment, which makes it extremely difficult. But again, as I said, such a corrective wave is extremely difficult and it will be very volatile and to a degree unpredictable as well. So let's first take a look here overall at the wave count. Still for Ethereum, the bullish count is the primary. No reason to change it at the moment. Would consider changing it to a bearish wave count below $1,000. Overall here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unchanged for Ethereum, and then two possibilities, either here the wave A down, the wave B up and the wave C down, or this as a WXY pattern with a slightly different structure that we took a look at in the previous video here, where we're coming down also in a wave 2, but not in an ABC. It is a WXY, which is here the the X and the Y, where we would have already started the wave Y. Problem here, we expected a move up. The move up was a bit too strong for this scenario, so we take a look at that. Doesn't invalidate it, but it was a bit too strong for the ideal level. And here for the other count, where we said before it's getting a little bit less likely now because we dropped below 15.15. This is pumping now. Yeah, so we'll take a look at that now. It is crazy. Overall, yeah, as I said in the previous video as well, Ethereum still has a chance to fight its way back into the wave C. To be honest, I can't remember if I said in the previous video or if I just issued the message on Telegram and Discord for the channel members. But the thing is, because Ethereum dropped so much yesterday with Bitcoin's flush, yeah, to the downside, in this scenario where we could still reach that target between 1770 and 1920, it basically messed up this entire structure here. So this means we would have to have a restart of that wave C, of the wave B. This is possible still. Before, I believe we had here the wave A, the wave B. Yeah, so the previous count, which got invalidated, yeah, the previous count was here the wave A to the upside, the wave B to the downside, and then here that we would already be in the wave C, which would mean here you had a wave 1, a wave 2, and possibly another one to set up, and then we should have moved higher. However, we broke down quite strongly. So to still maintain in this scenario, we would have to say that this was a wave A. We have completed the wave B here at 1500, and we are now moving up in a wave C. It's quite a strong move up, yeah, but we're now, so this would actually again be an indication that we are moving up in a wave C, but we have now again moved just below resistance, as you can see here, 1660. Yeah, this is the 50-day moving average where we got rejected before as well. So this will be interesting how the market reacts to this level. So here in this move up, yeah, I mean, if we say this is a wave C, we're probably just doing another wave 1 here. Let me just think. Yeah, so ideally we get now a 5-wave move to the upside here in the wave C. As per this scenario, that would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. In this scenario, we would need to hold, and I can tell you that as well. I mean, as an absolute minimum, we need to hold the 1490 level. Below 1490, you're going to invalidate this pattern. But assuming over wave 1 here, we've seen the peak already, we should ideally now hold 1525. That's the 78.6% fib level if we come down in a wave 2. It's very choppy price action. I personally said best to stay away from this wave B because it is so unpredictable, and I think the market proves that at the moment, that it is bloody unpredictable, this wave B here, yeah, or this correction. 100% a lot of people got caught out here with those movements, yeah, and stop losses and whatever triggered. Therefore, I decided to stay away from this one. But if we indeed move up into this area here, yeah, then there would be a short opportunity to the downside into the wave C. That might be a short trade that I might take. So from this area here, when a first 1-2 setup is established, then shorting the waves 3, 4, and 5. The other scenario, so this is still possible in an extended correction here, ABC, still possible to get into this yellow area. The other possibility, which again is now getting a little bit unrealistic, or not unrealistic again, but a little bit less likely again, is because here, yeah, we said the wave X already peaked up here. That was at around 1690, yeah, where we made 5 waves to the upside, and I told you that we'll probably now see a wave down, but it was quite a strong wave down. Due to this move down, which was a 5-wave move, yeah, we could consider this as a wave A. This here now as a wave B, even though it moved straight through my target area. So it was stronger than anticipated, stronger than normally a wave B would be. Not invalidated here anything, but if you take a look at the Fibonacci levels, you would not normally expect the wave B to go much higher than the 61.8. It is an ideal level, yeah. But a wave B, again, it is another wave B. So a wave B is often very difficult to forecast. So personally, I can still live with this scenario, even if we go one step higher to 1665. If we go above 1687, it would then, however, get very, very, very unrealistic. The thing is, why is this a little bit unrealistic with this wave B? Because the move down, as far as I can see it now, is a 5-wave move. So if this is a 5-wave move, it indicates that what we have unfolding here is a zigzag, a 5-3-5 pattern. If it is a zigzag, the wave B would normally not retrace more than the 61.8% fib level, but it did that. So again, sitting between two scenarios here. Sometimes in these scenarios or in these situations, it's best to just wait what the market is doing. As I said already, in this correction here, it's probably best not to trade. If you want to trade, you might do some scalping or whatever, yeah. So, or you might need something else than Elliott Waves, but it is a tough environment, and to trade this, you need to be a skilled trader, in my opinion. Okay, and that's my update about ETH. So interesting to see how this is going to continue. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.